Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to Tuesday Army of the Marinduque Global Center. So sa mga nanonood po, paki-forward po sa inyong mga kaibigan. Hello everyone. Say hi to our viewers. At bago tayo magsimula, let's put ourselves in the presence of God. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Lord, thank you po sa araw na ito na pinagkaloob niyo sa amin. Salamat mo sa pagkakataong magkakasama kami kahit na sa virtual na paraan upang pag-usapan ang aming layunin na makapagbigay ng biyaya, pagmamahal at pagbabahagi sa pamamagitan ng Atomy. Lord, guide us ngayong araw na ito and bigyan niyo po kami ng kaliwanagan ng isip, tapang ng loob, at malasakit sa aming kapwa upang mas lalo naming maibahagi ang kagandahan ng mga produkto at aming layunin at ang layunin ng company. Bless all the members, the leaders, and all our new friends that will be joining and listening and watching our meeting today. Naway makaisa po kami sa iisang adhikain na makatulong sa bawat isa at maabot ng tagumpay na may kababaang loob at pusong mapaglingkod. Lord, bless us with the courage, the inspiration to continue to work towards our success and our dreams. Tulungan niyo po kami maging instrumento ng pagbabago at biyaya sa bawat isa. Sa inyo po namin inaalay ang aming meeting, ang aming virtual Zoom meeting, ang aming sharing, at naway maging makabuluhan at puno ng positive energy ang aming pag-uusap. Ito po ang aming dalangin sa pangalan ni Jesus na aming tagapagligtas. Amen. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Okay, so welcome po sa Tuesday Army of the Marinduque Global Center. Ayan. So before we proceed, let me just share my screen. And you are seeing me in Facebook Live, I guess. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
please unmute. Company motto. Marinduque Global Center. Company motto. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Go. Sharing
Sharing
the
the
spirit.
spirit.
Create the vision.
Create the vision.
Follow the faith.
Follow
Serve
the
in
faith.
humility.
Serve in
Aja.
humility.
Aja. Aja.
Aja.
Ayan. Okay. Thank you po sa energy. And let me just share this great video from YouTube. Okay. It's in Korean, but read the subtitles if you guys want. Thank you.
우리 집에 왜 왔니 꿈 찾으러 왔단다 무슨 꿈을 찾으러 왔느냐 멋진 꿈을 찾으러 왔단다
하늘색 바다 속에 너와 나 저 높이 날아 커피 한 잔에 아침 너무 달어 이 세상의 불안함을 전부 덜어 눈을 뜨면 하늘색의 빛이 나네 몇 마디 주고받아 피시가네 보채는 아이처럼 놀아줘 dance 뭐 어쨌든 우리 널리 뻗어가네 지쳐있잖아 우리 모두 better life 천천히 나가자고 better life 뒤뚱거리는 우리여도 괜찮아 불어오는 바람 타고 신나게 날 함께 수영이 될 테니 백조 할게 분명히 성공의 행복 창의적인 생각 끌어내는 공간 너와 나 지금 가족이 되었지 시작이 달라도
가족이 생겼지
Sorry, Korean pala yung subtitle.
내 왼쪽 오른쪽 다 소중해
I'll link the English subtitle later. Sorry po.
영원한 소중히 여겨 내 생각을 영영 믿으면 난 굳게 서서
Mga members, inaral nyo na ba yung dance step? That will be our next challenge. Pasensya na kasi yung ano pala niya, yung subtitle niya is in Korean. Hindi ko napansin. Okay. So magandang araw po sa inyong lahat, saan mang sulok kayo ng mundo. Ako po si Diamond Master Relin Pilapil Minorca ng Army Atlanta Center, USA. And for today, ako po ang inyong Center Education Officer ng Marinduque Global Center. Okay. And short story lang po kung paano ko nagsimula sa Atomy. I learned about Atomy in 2019. Actually, in all honesty, ni-reject ko din siya multiple times. Siguro more than 4 times po. Talagang sabi ko, ayaw ko, sawang-sawa na ako sa network marketing. And then finally, since libre naman, walang registration fee, I get to join and register. And one of the mistakes na hindi ko kaagad ginawa is yung bisitahin yung website at saka tingnan ko ano yung mga products. It took me a while bago ko nakilala yung mga products. Mabuti na lang may makulit na sponsor na inintroduce sa akin yung Himuhim. So kahit na ginagamit ko yung ibang beauty products like yung sunscreen, yung Rose Rain Mist, yung lip glow, shampoo and conditioner, yung ano pa ba? I think those are the most basic, foam cleanser at that time. Sabi ko kahit hindi ko siya ginagawang business, I know for life bibilhin ko yung mga product na yun. But it's a good thing na I gave a chance for that particular sponsor and leader dito sa Baltimore. Nakinig ako sa session na yun. Sabi niya 30 minutes lang. And sabi ko, sige, pakinggan ko. The reason why I'm telling you this is at that time, hindi ko rin alam na merong Himuhim. It's the flagship product of Atomy. So, nagpapasalamat ako at lubos na nagpapasalamat ako kay SM Apple na pinakilala niya sa akin yung Himuhim at narinig ko sa session na yun. Kasi kung hindi, siguro hindi ko rin ginagawa or hindi ko sinishare si Atomy at hindi ako automatic consumer ng Himuhim. So, bilang nurse, napaka useful nung supplement na Himuhim para sa akin. And today, our topic is mainly about all the products. Kung member ka na ng Atomy, of course, congratulations. Welcome to the Global Atomy Company. So, kung hindi nyo pa po kilala si Atomy, lahat ng products sa online shopping mall, may points. Kapag nagpunta kayo sa online shopping mall, kapag bumili kayo ng mga products, may points. Okay? Previously, we have discussed yung kung paano maging member, kung ano yung points value, kung paano mag-navigate sa website, kung paano mag-purchase ng product. But today, I would like to ask, let me just stop my share first. I would like to ask some of our members to share bakit nila gustong-gusto yung Atomy products at kung ano yung paborito nilang products sa Atomy. So, napakahirap na decision kasi in Atomy, here sa America, we have more than 100 plus products na ginagamit. And kung papipiliin ako kung ano yung paborito ko na, halimbawa, isang product na lang yung pwede kong bilhin at I can use other brands, pero yung yung brand ng Atomy na hindi ko pwedeng i-let go. Siguro sa lahat, ang hirap no? Siguro sa lahat, I would still choose Himuhim. And then I can use other beauty products, other personal care, pero parang ang hirap no? Hindi ko ma-imagine yung sarili ko nagagamit ng ibang brand ng, 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 ng toothpaste or ng panty liner. Hi Singapore! Ayan, nandyan sila. Nakikita nyo ba sila? Ayan, so sa akin, ang paborito ko pa rin is yung Himuhim, yung flagship product. Yun pa rin yung bibilhin ko. It's an antioxidant, it's a flagship product, napakaganda. And para sa akin, kasi like this morning, kakagising ko lang, nagdi-drip pa talaga yung nose ko kasi may post-nasal drip ako. But it would only take about 30 minutes para mag-dry. So, ito pa rin yung ibibilhin ko. It really helps my immune system and then sa allergies, seasonal allergies, yan, napaka-bisa niya. So, yun siguro, okay? Kung isa lang. But since We are so blessed to be part of the Atomy na lahat ng products may access tayo. So, yun yung napakaganda kasi not only in US, not only in Philippines, but we have access to other countries as well. So, ayan, pakinggan natin yung ating mga members. Okay, sino bang una? Okay. Unahin na. Okay. Nagtaas ng kamay si SM Bilen. So, unahin natin si SM Bilen. I would like to introduce to you SM Bilen, a great leader from Singapore. So, ibig sabihin yung account niya, Singaporean account, pero Filipino, proud Pinoy. Okay, go ahead, SM Bilen.
Yeah, actually, I just want to introduce our new members. Come. We have a new recruit. Actually, Princess, her friend, and she invited his friend. So now we have a potential team to grow in India. Yes. So
Wow,
yeah.
congratulations.
We
Welcome,
just finished.
everyone.
I just finished the presentation and Princess completed the registration. So I'm not yet ready to share my favorite product. So anyway, my newest favorite product is the panty liner. Let me get first.
Oh, that's the
Yung panty liner, habang wala si SM Belen, kita yung background ni SM Belen, nananahi siguro siya. Ganyan ang ano. Ayan, go ahead, SM
Ako
Belen.
nananahe. Yeah, actually po, it's very difficult to choose one favorite product. Kasi ang dami-dami talagang favorite. Ang dami-daming magagandang product. But because this is the latest na na-try ko, ito yung isi-share ko. So, yun, ang panty liner po dito sa Singapore ay may wings. Nakikita niyo? Have wings. Because that's one of my problem in. Bye-bye. Thank you. Please invite your friends. One of my concern dun sa Philippines ay minsan natatanggal siya. Hindi siya ganun ka, minsan nadidislocate. So, when I tried this, it's really good and medyo mas makapal din siya. Although wala siyang aircon, hindi siya kasing lamig nung nasa Pilipinas, pero cooling pa rin siya. Tapos yun nga po, mayroon siyang wings, napakaganda. Very comfortable siyang gamitin. So, this is my latest favorite product. And starting January 22, the new collagen cushion will be available in Singapore. So, hindi ko na kailangang umorder sa Korea. I'm so happy. Ang dami po talagang product na dito sa Singapore. Sarap-sarap mag-shopping. Kulang na lang ang pang-shopping. So, yun lang. Kaya yung mga nasa Pilipinas, pwede na kayong magpabili dito ng Gold Collagen Cushion. Kasi uwi ako ng February. So, yun lang po. Back to you, DM. This is my
Thank you,
newest.
SM Bilen. And since available na dyan ang Gold Collagen Cushion, bilhan mo ako ng isa, Shade 04. Pick upin ko sa Pilipinas. Okay. Yeah, napakaganda ng panty liner. I use that on a daily basis. Yeah, may air cooling effect, parang may air conditioner. Although nung first time kong ginamit yan, my friend reminded me, wag kang ma-surprise ha kasi medyo malamig sa pakiramdam. Buti na lang sinabi niya kasi parang ang weird, no? Parang kaibang panty liner. But it will keep you fresh all day. Siyempre, dapat kada ihi magpalit kayo, no? Okay, next, let me welcome.
Sorry, just to add, I'm natutuwa talaga ako dito sa aking mga younger generation members. Kasi pagdating dito, Jedi siya yung name nung girl. Pagdating dito, so, tapos yun, dumating yung, actually boyfriend niya yung her boyfriend. And then, sabi nung boyfriend, oh, is that the one you're talking about? And then, Princess said, you see, mommy, they are talking to me anywhere. And then, the good thing is, Jedisha is going back to India soon for holiday. And she said that she will try to tell her relatives and family there. So yeah. And the guy who just registered said that her mom is always buying beauty products, so he will introduce to her mom. So I really pray na we will have Indian team soon. But they are Singaporean. So anyway, because there's a lot of Indian Singaporean here, but they still have their relatives in India. So yeah, I'm hoping.
Congratulations! Now we have India as a part of the team. Congratulations. Sana makapunta tayo dyan all together. Okay, let me invite next on the screen, no other than SM Elena. Ano pong paborito niyong produkto at bakit?
Good evening, good morning po sa lahat, lalong-lalo na yung nanonood sa FB. Alam kong marami akong na-senda ng link na nanonood ngayon sa FB. Sida Kathleen Landitzo, Ma'am Kathleen Landitzo, Leonila Tibayan, Ma'am. Salamat po sa panonood at marami pa pong nanonood. Yang Cavite, Felix Suagan. Nasendan ko ng link. Ito po ang paborito kong product ng Atomy. This detergent, oras-oras po, ito ay aking ginagamit, lalo na sa paghuhugas ng plato. Mayat maya, kasi marami pong purpose ito sa kubeta, sa sahig, sa dingding, kasi nagdilinis ng dingding. Tapos makinang po siya sa mga baso. At ginagamit ko rin ito sa paghuhugas ng gulay, mga talong, tibal, kasi madaming produkto ngayong ini-spray sila, kailangang malinis. At saka sa prutas, saging, mga mangga, lahat ng prutas pwedeng hugasan ito. At ang kagalingan din po nitong dish detergent ay mabango siya, tapos hindi po nakakaano ng kamay, nakakarubina, yung nakakagaspang ng kamay. Kaya gustong-gusto ko po itong dish detergent. Sana po mawili kayo sa Atomy product kasi enjoy na enjoy po kami sa Atomy products dito sa mga nanonood ngayon sa FB. Alam ko, buti nga nag-FB kayo na ano ito at maraming chance na ma-promote ang Atomy products. Thank you po.
Thank you, SM Elena. Ayan, proud daughter ako kasi yung nanay ko nagsasalita. O, di ba? Ayan, grabe no, masipag talaga maglinis ang nanay ko. Siya yung una nakatry ng mga dish detergent, fabric detergent. Ayan, kung maririnig niyo yung storya niya nung simula. Akala pa nga niya nung una minumulto siya kasi may mabango ang isang pagita yata yung fabric detergent. Okay, natutuwa naman ako kasi yung mga term na hindi ko naririnig gasino ko. Beta, Kibal, Rubina, Gaspang. Talagang tatak Pinoy. Okay, thank you, Esa Melena. Okay, next I would like to call, sarado ang camera, pero she's my friend. Ayan, actually, she's one of my best friends, pero nagalit yun sa akin kasi hindi ko siya inelect na best friend dati. Kasi you have to choose one friend to list. At hindi siya nailista kasi isa lang yung ililista. Pero she's my close friend. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung anong paborito ng aking batchmate, classmate. Walang iba kundi si Carol Asilo Aldon.
Hello, good day everyone. For this product sharing, one of my favorites in Atomy is the compact toothbrush. I love that the compact toothbrush head is extra small, brushing one tooth per stroke. Others may think that compact toothbrush is for kids, but not. Here is my compact toothbrush now. I have been using it for more than 3 months, but still, this is how it look like. It still looks like new one. Toothbrush in Atomy is high quality, super slim, pristine, vibrant colors. Atomy compact toothbrush is the best toothbrush for me. I hope you try and see for yourself. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Carol. Ayan. O, di ba? DM Junie, can you save a purple compact toothbrush to me for me? I didn't realize that there's purple inside the compact toothbrush. Napakaganda kasi ang liit-liit niya, 'di ba? Saktong-sakto dun sa ngipin, hanggang sa likod, kayang isuot hanggang sa loob. And then it's antimicrobial. Kahit ilagay niyo sa humid place, hindi po siya magiging ano 'yun? Hindi magiging moldy kasi self-cleaning, may gold-coated, may antimicrobial effect. Ayan. Thank you, Carol. Okay. Next on the screen, no other than Star Master Joseph. He's part of the Leaders Club, earning more than $100,000 per year. Okay? And he is an ordinary guy in the beginning. So sana marinig nyo din ang kanyang storya. So let's listen to Star Master Joseph and see what's his favorite product.
Hello, Carola. I didn't know what the purple color toothbrush have it, but it's great, great, great. Well, my favorite product is, of course, that Himohim and Noni. Himohim and Noni. Every morning I took Himohim and Noni, but I know what we're learning a lot. At least my age, like 60 years starting. So we needed immune system, was keep it immune system. And yeah, but yesterday we have a Korean one-day seminar in the Toulouse. They product presenter is the one of the what pathology doctor. He just for the presentate for the Himohim and Noni. And yes, after listening that the product presentation, more trust Himohim and Noni. At least an immune system and what maybe my health keep it. So other thing, what the living product or things that we use it, many things we use it, that I'm loving what atomic product. One of them, Pitin and Hemohim and Noni, I'm choose one and both, yes, Hemohim and Noni. but yeah, but I mean, Doctor Say is the great. He also amazing. He didn't know, but he just more learning about him and Noni. After that, he just he test for himself. After that, after he just make it more people know about him or him just for the make it. Thank you so much. I love it, him or him and Noni. Thank you.
Thank you, Star Master Joseph. That's true, though. It's hard to choose between the Himuhim and Noni, okay? They are a married supplement. But if you're tight on a budget, Himuhim is great. But if you're healthy and sometimes you want to enjoy Noni because it has 2,000 years of research and it's really good. Even other company is promoting it, but our Noni is the best because it tastes really good. It has calamondin and it has coconut sugar. So it's different and it's a concentrate. It's not a juice. It's not Noni juice, but it's a concentrate. Yeah, between Noni and Himuhim, yeah, I think Noni, but yeah, both. And all of it. Okay, next, let's see. SM Sandra, are you available to share? Ayan, let's
Yan.
listen to
Nakita
SM
ba
Sandra.
ako?
She's a sales master all the way from Palawan. Go ahead.
Ayan. Hello, good evening, good morning, everyone. So my favorite product is Hong Samdan because I'm always tired, stressed, and if I cannot sleep, so this Hong Samdan helps me relax. And also, if masama yung pakiramdam ng mga kids ko, so I give them, kasi minsan ayaw nila ng lasa ng himuhim, so I give them ginseng and with vitamin C, and it really helps a lot. So that's all. Thank
Thank you,
you.
SM Sandra. Ayan, Korean red ginseng, Hong Samdam. So, naka-granules naman siya. And what's good with the Hong Samdam, it's helpful sa mga may problema sa sirkulasyon, sa blood pressure, also sa diabetes. So, basahin niyo po yung mga details para malaman niyo kung para sa inyo. Para sa akin, ang Hong Samdang is really a strong supplement. So, siya yung go-to supplement ko kapag feeling ko talagang pagod ako, kailangan ko ng energy. Talagang kapag naglo-long drive, within 5 minutes, pag tinaktak mo siya sa bibig mo, para kang ano, sinipa ng kabayo, magigising ka talaga. So, yun yung mga ways, or kapag yung feeling ko magkakasakit ako, yan, idadagdag ko siya, isang Korean red ginseng, Hong Samdam, 2 himuhim, 3 vitamin C, and then warm water, ayan. Yun na yung aking ano, go-to elixir. Okay na ako. Okay. And not last but not the least, DM Juni, are you able to share what's your favorite product sa Atomy? Nakamute ka pa.
Okay, this is my favorite product, the Atomio. This is not available in some other branches, but I think this from Korea. This is like a BB cream for men. Yeah. I like the colors brown and hindi siya masyado maputi sa mukha kaya bango-bango niya. So isang kasama din ng mga line ng Atomy na for men is yung tone up moisturizer.
Thank you, DM Juni. Are you wearing it this time? You're muted.
No, I'm going to sleep after this.
Okay. Thank you. Ayan, meron siyang ano, tone up BB cream. Okay. So, available po yan sa Korea. Ayan. Okay. So, let me again start my screen up. Sa iba na marami pa tayong produkto actually sa Atomy. So, toothpaste. Ayan, napakaganda ng ating toothpaste. Garantisado, wala talagang panis na laway, walang bad breath sa umaga. So, make sure you guys try it. Ayan, let me just share my screen. Okay. Okay. So, lahat ng products po sa Atomy may points. Kapag ginamit niyo yun yung account, magkakaroon kayo ng personal point value. Kapag ibang tao na pinag-share niyo yung bumili, magkakaroon din sila ng personal point value. And then, papunta sa taas, kasi lahat ng points tumataas, group point value. So, kung halimbawa 100 kayo sa isang linya, hindi lang isang tao yung nakikinabang dun sa points na yon. Lahat kayo magbe-benefit, especially kung lahat kayo registered as an agent or as a distributor. So, simple lang po kumita kay Atomy. Pero, mas maganda na qualified yung account nyo. Pagka-register, make sure you try some products and then eventually, magbi-build up yan. Okay? So, as a consumer, siguro, isa o 5 produkto na yung na-try nyo. So, newbie pa lang kayo. Okay, so make it a goal every week or every month. Try at least one product. So, kung active member kayo, probably you have tried 20 plus products sa Atomy. Kung loyal consumer kayo, maybe 50 plus. Kung crazy consumer kayo, like me, more than 100 plus. And then you're hopping between countries, trying to find out kung ano yung magandang products sa kanila. Kasi napakaganda ng products ni Atomy. We only offer daily necessities. Pang-araw-araw ginagamit. You have supplements, you have skincare, you have beauty products. personal care, meron din pong food. Okay, so let's just review your household expenses. Sa inyong banyo, of course, meron kayong toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, body cleanser, hand soap. Okay, anong brand ba ang ginagamit nyo at this time? Beauty products, meron mga makeup remover, facial cleanser, moisturizer, sunblock, makeup, lipstick, eyebrow pencil. Ayan. So, iba-ibang brands yung ginagamit nyo, diba? And then, sa inyong kusina, you have coffee, meron kayong ramen for snack, different kind of snacks, nuts. Of course, kailangan nyo rin ng hand soap doon, dish detergent, scrub sponge. Okay, napakaganda ng scrub sponge ng Atomy kasi hindi siya mabantot, hindi siya nangangamoy. May antibacterial component siya. Meron din tayong stainless scrub. Meron detergent dispenser. Previously sa Philippines, merong Atomy but we still have battery. And then meron pa rin yan sa ibang branch. We have stainless pots, frying pan, steamer, cookware. So, saan kayo bumibili niyan at this time? Well, lahat yan nandyan sa Atomy. Sa inyong medicine cabinet, okay, tingnan kung anong mga supplements ang meron kayo sa inyong medicine cabinet. Do you have vitamins? Anong vitamins ang ginagamit mo? Does it have synthetic component? Dietary supplement? Anong mga medications ang meron ka? Antifungal ba? Anti-allergy? Antioxidant? Anti-diarrhea? Anti-cancer? So, tingnan kung ano pong mga gamot ang meron kayo sa medicine cabinet. Baka puro synthetic lang pero hindi effective. Because most of the supplements ni Atomy, pinag-aralan niya and very effective at totoong nakakatulong. Personal care, of course, we have hand cream. Ay naku, favorite ko din to. Oh, hindi pwedeng mawala yung hand cream. Feminine wash, the Adam cleanser. We have the sanitary pads. We call it Herb Day or sa iba, Wonderful Day. We have travel kit. We have the spa treatment, yung ating evening care 4 set. And then we have yung mga body scrubber, sugar scrubber, foot scrubber, lotion, cream, lahat na. Meron din tayong hair grower sa mga numinipis na ang buhok. And then sa laundry room, ayan, sino yung paboritong maglaba? Yung nanay ko, sipag maglaba niyan, umaga at hapon yata. Everyday naglalaba, hindi pwedeng hindi maglalaba. So, we have fabric detergent and fabric softener. And then other extra products that if you have extra money, you'll go for it. Like yung mga collagen treatments, derma skin products, spa treatments. Of course, yung mga acne-prone skin dyan, may mga acne treatments. Some of them will go to detox, slimming, yung mga weight loss challenge. So yan. So these are just some of the examples ng mga expenses nyo at this time. Sa loob ng bahay at sa labas ng bahay, sobrang daming household expenses. So possibly at this time, you are using a different brand. But in Atomy, all the Atomians are just using the Atomy brand, our one and only brand. At sa simula, you will earn points. And then as you're using these products, you will earn up to more than 2.4 million. So at this time, yung account ko po, I started buying the products in 2020. So yung account ko, may 2.4 million points na. At this stage, I don't need any additional points. So anong ginagawa ko dun sa points na yon? Pinamimigay ko na lang to help somebody get an extra income, to help somebody to be promoted to special agent, to help somebody to become a special agent, or to help somebody get that commission, or to help somebody to be an active member of Atomy, or just to help anyone. Okay? So ganun kaganda yung point system ng Atomy. Hindi mo man kailangan ng points, but you can give it to somebody, and you are helping everyone na nakalinya sa linya na yon. Hindi lang isang tao, but everyone na nakalinya sa linya na yon. So, assignment yan, aralan. Okay, so with your budget and expenses, anong products yung kailangan nyo at this time? Ano yung products na paubos na at baka pwede nyong iswitch kay Atomy? Ano yung mga medications na tinitake nyo at this time? Anong mga products ang kinakain or kinukonsume nyo at this time. Baka ibang brand ng coffee ang tinitake nyo. Napakasarap ng Cafe Arabica ng Atomy. And then how much is your current budget? Okay, how much is your monthly expenses for your household? And then, ang last na tanong is, since may mga expenses kayo sa inyong household, are you getting any cashback in doing or in using other brands? Kasi sa Atomy, since I started using the Atomy brand, I've been getting a cashback. Okay? It took 7 months on my end to get the first cashback, but at this time, kung aralin nyo si Atomy, you probably can get cashback right away. Okay? So this is just an example for a monthly expenses for 2 person sa mga basic daily necessities na alam kong lahat ng household is meron. Okay? I bet lahat ng household you have toothpaste, toothbrush, facial wash, a shampoo, a body cleanser, coffee, dish detergent, scrub sponge, and fabric detergent. Okay? Basic daily necessities. So kung bibilhin yan kay Atomy, probably it would cost you 4,470 pesos. Pero kung i-divide nyo siya on a monthly basis, that would cost you about 1,556. And then on a monthly basis, you get the points around 8,500 point value kasi nga lahat ng products may points. So, ang tanong, are you spending or saving? If you're using other brand, I guarantee you, you are spending. But if you are using Atomy, you are actually saving. Not only for yourself, but up to the 3rd generation. Kasi yung account mo pwedeng ipamana sa anak hanggang sa apo. So, just that basic household expenses na meron, if I'm going to use that in the next 12 months, it would cost me 18,674 and 76 centavos. 12 months pa lang yon. Eh, in 10 years, magkano na yon? Almost 186,000 pesos. Looking at the points, it's about 1 million points. O, di ba? Kung ikaw lang at saka may 2 tao lang sa ilalim mo, kung ikaw lang gumagamit at yun lang ang ginagamit mo, at least kahit papano, may babalik pa rin sa'yo. But how about the other products? Ang dami-daming produkto sa Atomy na ginagamit. And hindi pa kasali dun sa listahan kanina yung Himuhim. Himuhim is consumed on a monthly basis. So monthly, meron akong 62,000 points. In 12 months, that would be 744,000 points na pinamimigay ko on a monthly basis. In 10 years, that would be 7.4 million points. So, di ba ang dami? Eh sa Atomy, basic lang. 300,000 points sa left, 300,000 points sa right. You get a cashback. Okay? So, you can actually convert your expenses into an income. As you buy the products, you accumulate points. And as you share it to others, they will accumulate their points. And then you will earn a group points. Yun yung nagiging income. Okay. So, ang potential income po sa Atomy is from $60 to $1,200 per day on a daily basis. Okay. Sabi nila, we're a pyramid scam daw. Hindi po. Actually, lahat ng company, kahit hospital at yung may mga business, they're a pyramid. Kung sino yung nasa taas, siya yung malaking kita. But in Atomy, it's a reverse. Yung mga nagsisimula, sila yung distributed yung income dun sa mga nasa ilalim. Okay. Just a quick review. I know this is advanced for others. I just want you to understand na kung sakaling mag-join ka, and it's free, wala pong registration fee. And if you love the products that you're using, you just share it to your loved ones. So I have my mother, my younger brother, my older brother, and then my niece, and then my cousin, okay? And then on the right side, I have my brother-in-law, I have my classmates, my best friend, my other classmate, my co-worker. That's it. I'm done. But on a daily or every 3 days or every 5 days, depende kung gaano kayo kasipag mag-share, you can actually earn $60 to $1,200 per day. Or as an auto sales master, you have the potential income to earn $2,000 to $3,000 on a monthly basis. But ang ceiling natin, you can actually earn up to $100,000 monthly basis. Okay, general commission, the company is returning 44%. Sa ibang company, ang tawag nila dyan is pairing, matching, bonus, yan, commission, yan. Sa atin, sa Atomy, ang tawag natin is cycle. And also, we have the mastership bonus. So, as a sales master, you'll get 10% of the 20% nung bonus. And then the rest of the masters, naghahati-hati na lang sila dun sa percentage na nakaalaan para sa kanila. So, auto sales master income, if you are getting it on a month, on a every 15-day period. Kasi, di ba pag empleyado ka, you get your bonus pag Christmas season or kapag magha-holiday. In Atomy, which is really good, you get your mastership bonus every 15 days. So how amazing is that? So I encourage you to learn this. So focus your eyes dun sa third column. Anong target income mo? For the monthly income, would you like $2,000 per month? $4,000 per month? $10,000 per month? Or as an Imperial Master, would you like $50,000 or more? So just focus because we have equal opportunity. Siguro sasabihin nyo, that's impossible. Well, kung hindi nyo po alam, nung nagsisimula si Atomy, yung unang-unang meeting, actually wala pa talagang Atomy. Talagang wala pa ring building, wala pang website, wala pang online store. But out of those 17 people na nag-start, I think 14 of them are successful. And right now we have a total of 13 Imperial Masters. Okay. So this is a true limit. So madali lang naman talaga mag-start ng Atomy. Yun lagi namin sinasabi, ride the bus. So paano ba yung ride the bus? Of course, you have to buy what you need. Sa mga household expenses nyo, look at your household and then buy from Atomy. And then, kapag nagustuhan nyo, use and explore more products to try sa website. Next time na maubos po yung brand nyo, try the Atomy. Kung ayaw nyo po, you have actually a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can return it to the company. No questions asked. I-refund po kayo ng Atomy Philippines, ng kung saan man kayong country. Just send them the letter or send them the complaint na ayaw nyo yung brand ng Atomy. And we will refund you. And then, if you love the products, if you truly enjoy the products, company is only asking you to share the products and your experience to others. So with the Marinduque Global Center, this is what we're doing. We're hoping that the products that we love, that you will get to try. Kasi as we use these products, we experience the goodness of the products. Mahalaga na gamitin natin yung produkto kasi this is the only way for us to give an honest and a truthful review. Okay? Bawal po yung magawa-gawa ng kwento. Nasa Code of Ethics po yan ng Atomy. Okay? And as we use the products, yun din yung matututunan natin na, ganito pala yung nag-work. Ganun pala yung effect nun. Okay? Kasi kung hindi mo ginagamit, like the panty liner, if you are not using it, you will not know na malamig sa pakiramdam yung brand ng Philippines compared sa Singapore. Okay? And that's also the way for us to suggest and recommend kung anong kailangan ng ating mga kaibigan at mga kapamilya. So, lahat ng products sa Atomy is a daily necessities. And we assure and follow the principle of absolute quality and absolute price. So, ibig sabihin po, napakataas ng kalidad, pero ang presyo pangmasa. Compare the prices sa current brand na binibili nyo, I bet incomparable kasi napakaganda po ng kalidad ng Atomy. And then of course, if you have your own online shopping mall, which is very unique kasi may sarili kang online shopping mall, pero ikaw din lang ang consumer ng online shopping mall mo kasi ikaw ang gumagamit ng account eh. But the good thing is, as you use your own online shopping mall, you are building a passive income. Hindi lang para sa'yo, but para sa future generations up to the third generation. And then of course, it's important for us to use the product because we represent Atomy. Be the product of the product. Okay. Noong una, hirap din ako mag-introduce ng product kasi I'm not using the product consistently, especially in beauty products in the beginning. Kasi medyo may katamaran ako mag-facial. But since I started using it consistently, napakaganda. So bakit mo kailangan i-share yung products? It's because if you're sharing the products, you're actually helping them. Not only helping them to have a healthier and a more beautiful skin, help them to save money, but you can also help them to build their consumer group and help them to build their passive income. Okay? I said passive income. So pag active income, you're actually working. Passive income means in the beginning lang yung talagang actively working, but in the future you may wake up getting that income without even doing anything. So that's the good thing with Atomy. And then the lastly is everyone aims to become imperial master, but all of us through Atomy aims to have financial and time freedom. So I encourage you to watch videos of successful leaders on how they started. Pero once you love the products, I ask you to share it to others. So use your online shopping mall, change where you shop, change your brand to Atomy. Sa Pilipinas po, ito yung direct website, atomy.com/ph. Of course, sa US. Sa Canada, it's CA here. Sa Singapore, it's SG. Japan, JP. Okay, nag-iiba-iba. Atomy mobile app, ganito po yung itsura dyan sa Pilipinas. Other countries have changed to the Atomy mobile shop. Okay, so napakabago ng app na yon. Make sure you guys explore kasi very interactive. Okay, mode of payments when you buy products sa Atomy, you can use a debit and credit card. You can also do BDO, merong GCash, PayMaya. You can also pay through bank deposit and PNB bills payment. And then if you guys have any concerns and questions, make sure you use this email to reach them. Okay? And yun lang. So beginners, at ngayon pa lang naririnig sa Atomy, aralin po si Atomy. Okay, basics of Atomy, paano maging member, yung ating mga online tools, yung app, or if you're watching Tuesday Atomy, every Tuesday, 7:30 p.m., we will share all this. Pero kung talagang nagmamadali ka, these are some of the topics that would be useful in building your business. Of course, learn about the company motto, life scenario, write your life scenario. That's the very first step. And then yung marketing plan or yung tinatawag na business plan. Okay, sa mga seryoso na ginagawa ito as an independent business owner, because Atomy is your own business. It's not your sponsor's business. Pero maganda, we do a teamwork business. So yung effort ng isa is effort ng lahat pataas. So nakakatuwa. We have 8 steps to success, 8 core daily checklists, journey to sales mastership, auto sales masterclass, Atomy vision, road to success, and then Go Sales Master Camp. And then this coming February, we will have the ABR. Okay, so make sure you guys register. Okay, so yun yung mga happening. So actually, libre naman si Atomy. We have access to the success system. We have one-day seminar. We have Success Academy. Yan, okay. We have a center meeting like this. We have global seminars every Monday, 9 a.m. dyan sa Pilipinas. And then weekly Zooms. Okay. So, let's aim for becoming an Imperial Master. We can all do this and be part of the Leaders Club. So, I'm now part of the Auto Sales Master Club. It took me almost 2 years to become part of this club, but it's a good passive income, diba? Pwede talaga mag-retire in using Atomy or in doing Atomy. Leaders Club, more than $100,000 in a yearly basis. Royal Leaders Club, $200,000 on a yearly basis. And then Crown Leaders Club, $400,000 on a yearly basis. And then when you become an Imperial, you will get more than $600,000 annually. Okay. So, sabi ni Chairman, if you follow the law of success, or because the law of success is already set, if you follow the law, you will succeed. Kasi Atomy is actually 99 made. So yung effort mo na lang, ikaw na lang po ang kulang. So, start your journey with Atomy. Take that first step. If you have not tried the product, make sure you at least try one product this week. And then if you love it, make sure you share it to at least 2 person this week. So, yun lang po ang aking sharing for today. And we can end the actual presentation with the company motto. Okay. Company motto. Please unmute your mic. Company motto. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Go. Cherish the
Follow
spirit.
the
Aim the
spirit.
vision.
Vision.
Follow the faith.
Follow the
Serve in
faith.
humility.
Aja.
Aja. Aja.
Aja.
Ayan. Okay. Hindi po tayo kulto, but that's our guiding principle sa ating Atomy Business. So, salamat po sa lahat na nakinig at nanonood ng replay. Mamaya, kung mamaya nyo pa ito mapapanood, we'll be hopping in sa aming second part ng Q&A and sharing. So, see you guys again next Tuesday. Okay. Bye, everyone. Bye, Facebook viewers. Oh, our Royal Master Yu Suk Song is in the house. Is she available to share or not just yet? Okay. So, I will end the Facebook Live and thank you again. Maraming salamat po. See you again next week. Bye, everyone.
Thank you.